Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying the physical match between ports and cables. Adapters work, but choose active ones for display port to HDMI. Once done, shut down or sleep the computer, attach the second monitor cable to the available port, and plug in power. Make sure the monitor is set to the correct input source using its buttons. You should see a power or signal LED. If the screen remains black, reset the cable and try the other input type. This prevents wasted time chasing settings before connection. You now tell the operating system how to use the new screen. On Windows Open Display settings, on Mac OS Open Displays, the system detects the monitor automatically in most cases. Once detected, choose Extend versus Duplicate depending on your workflow, drag the monitor icons to match physical placement, and set the main display. Make sure resolution and scaling fit each panel so text stays sharp. If GPU control panels exist, use them for color and refresh rate tweaks to lock in performance. You finish by testing behavior. Drag apps across screens, play video, and confirm consistent refresh rates and color balance. Adjust monitor position, brightness, and color calibration so both displays feel uniform. Save profiles if you switch setups often. Update your graphics drivers and monitor firmware, then reboot to ensure stability. If something fails, follow one key troubleshooting tip. Swap the cable and test a different port or an active adapter. Most detection and flicker issues trace back to faulty cables or passive adapters.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.